Dear students, अस्सलाम वालेकुम and a very good morning. हुरमत खान at your service. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सभी अपने घरों के अंदर बिल्कुल महफूज होंगी। कोरोना महामारी की वजह से स्कूल सभी बंद हैं, लेकिन जो बच्चे ऑनलाइन मोड से पढ़ नहीं पाते हैं, स्टडी नहीं कर पाते हैं, वो कम्युनिटी क्लास में आ सकते हैं। स्कूलों से बाहर खुली खुली जगहों पे कम्युनिटी क्लासेस बाज़ाब्ता तौर पे चल रहे हैं। Dear students, the important thing you must do that is you must connect yourself with your books. अपने आप को किताबों के साथ जोड़िए और इस जोड़ की वजह से आपका मुस्तकबिल जो है वो संवर जाएगा, यानी आपके आपका जो कीमती वक्त है इसको सही डायरेक्शन मिलेगी। Dear students of class 8 to 12th, today we are going to learn what is a question tag. आज हम यह पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होता है। Dear students, question tag is a small question that is added at the end of the statement. Question tag एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है, वो स्टेटमेंट के आखिर पे ऐड होता है to confirm the things from a listener what we have said. यानी कि जो सुनने वाला आगे होता है, इससे चीज़ें कन्फर्म करते हैं हम कि क्या हमने बताया। So simply you have to keep in the mind that question tag is a small question that is added at the end of the statement to confirm the things from a listener what we have said. इसका मतलब है आपको ये जनरली यूज़ होता है कहाँ पे, लिसनर से हम ये पूछते हैं, ये कंफर्म करते हैं कि क्या मैंने कहा है, और ये क्वेश्चन टैग एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है जो एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट ऐड होता है। और जो स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव होता है, यानी एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस होता है, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है सेंटेंस दैट सिंपली स्टेट समथिंग, जो कुछ कहता है, स्टेट करता है। एंड ये एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव भी होता है और नेगेटिव भी होता है। और पॉजिटिव जो स्टेटमेंट होता है इसके लिए हम नेगेटिव टैग ऐड करते हैं, और नेगेटिव टैग के लिए नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट के लिए पॉजिटिव टैग ऐड होता है। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल। Khurshid is a good boy. Khurshid is a good boy. Is he not? Isn't he? Is he not means isn't he, because it is a positive statement and it will take negative tag. Khurshid is a good boy, isn't he? In a question tag, you can't use the proper nouns. You have to be careful to use personal pronouns, not the proper nouns. For example, Mr. Ahmad is a handsome boy. Mr. Ahmad is a handsome boy, or Mr. Ahmad is a handsome man. Isn't he? You can't use like this, isn't Mr. Ahmad. So you have to use at the end of the statement a question tag. If it is positive, you use negative tag. If it is negative, you use positive tag. But you can't use the this proper nouns. You have to use only the personal pronouns. And you might have in the mind that there are the forms of verb be. And be is sometimes used as a man verb, and it has its forms like is, its form, am, form, was, is its form, where is its form. And these are the forms of be are used in a question tag. In a question tag में forms of be इस्तेमाल होते हैं. And also the forms of have. This forms of have, has and had. And also the forms of do, that is do, does and did, ये इस्तेमाल होते हैं. But remember, you can't use the proper noun. Take one more example. Ahmad is a handsome boy. Ahmad is a handsome boy. This statement is a positive statement, and when you use question tag at the end of the statement, जब आप question tag end of the statement इस्तेमाल करोगे तो कैसे करोगे? Isn't he? Isn't, you can't use isn't अहमद और isn't खुर्शीद. आपको प्रॉपर नाउन्स नहीं इस्तेमाल करने बल्कि पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस इस्तेमाल करने. Ahmad is a good boy, isn't he? Ruxana is a good girl, isn't she? Boys are playing cricket, aren't they? You can't use aren't boys. अब boys इस्तेमाल कर चाहे कॉमन नाउन हो या प्रॉपर नाउन हो, आप नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं नाउन। एट द एंड यू हैव टू यूज़ द पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस। अब जहन में ये रखना है, जो पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट होता है इसके लिए नेगेटिव टैग ऐड होता है, और जो नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट होता है इसके लिए पॉजिटिव टैग इस्तेमाल होता है। लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। Ahmad is not a good man. Ahmad is not a good man. Here it is what? Negative, because the not is there. It means it is negative statement. It is negative declarative sentence. Ahmad is not a good boy. Is he? क्योंकि अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो हम नेगेटिव टैग लगाएंगे, अगर नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट है तो पॉजिटिव टैग। इज ही। So it is generally used to confirm the things from a listener what we have said. So it is just the confirmation from a listener what we have said. So you have to keep in the mind that question tag is a small question that is added at the end of the statement. It is generally used to confirm things from a listener what we have said. And remember, when there is a positive statement, you have to use a negative tag, and when there is the negative statement, you have to use positive tag. Its examples are like this. Mr. Khurshid is a good mathematics teacher. Mr. Khurshid is a good mathematics teacher. Isn't he? Is not he? You can't use isn't Mr. Khurshid. You have to use the personal pronouns, not the proper nouns. Mr. Khurshid is a good mathematics teacher. Isn't he? At the end, you have to drop a question mark. So the question tag is a small question that is ended at the end of the statement to confirm the things from a listener what we have said. For positive statement, it is negative tag, and for negative statement, it is positive tag. Take one more example. Ruxana is a good cricket player. Ruxana is a good cricket player. Now it's the positive statement. Is she? Not. Isn't she? Isn't. If it is positive statement, you have to use negative tag. If it is negative statement, you have to use positive tag. Ahmad is not a good player. Is he? Is he? You can't use is Mr. Ahmad. Is he? And for the do forms, where do is working before the main form of the verb, what you can do. For example, Ahmad loves cricket. It means Ahmad does love cricket. When it's Ahmad loves cricket, it means Ahmad does love cricket. When does is used with the third person singulars, there is no with s with the first form of verb. Ahmad loves cricket. Does not he? Ahmad loves cricket. Does not he? I play chess. I play chess, and before the first form verb in present simple, do is working is means I do play chess. Don't I? Don't I? So these are the examples of the question tag, how we use it. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling or by WhatsApping, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. And also you can consult a very good English teacher, because my field of teaching is political science and mathematics. You can learn the things better there, but remain with the books, connect yourself with the books. Books are your real friends by which you can take your boat to the bank. Thanks. Be blessed.